Alright, back out at the field this morning, another beautiful day. Grass is nice and trimmed. The guys are really doing a good job on it. Got the FMM, got the Freewing Rebel version 2. I haven't flown this. I was looking at my log, and I haven't had this up for 14 months. So hopefully I can remember how it flies. Rebel V2. I got a little problem with the gears. One of the mains doesn't want to go down reliably, so I think we'll fly it and leave the gears down on it. Get some flaps. Alright, high speed coming down, and we're up and away. Flaps off. Sorry for the bouncing. Low and slow here. Yeah, this is one of the best value planes out there in my opinion. Even with all the price increases, I think you can still get this for about $180. Flies on a 4S. I've flown it on everything from a 2600 to a 3000, and it's not a speed demon. It's probably I did a video on it once with a GPS logger on it. I want to say it was around 69 or so miles an hour with a 2700, and I flew it on a 5-cell, and I think I got 79 out of extra 10 miles. Oh, there goes our battery. This does have flaps, so you can put them on for landing. Slows it down quite a bit. However, I think it just flies so good that if you just get off the throttle, I'm gonna go around one more time. If you just get off the throttle in time, she'll glide in for you. This is one, if you try to land it with the elevator, you'll be sorry. You'll get a lot of bounces. Use that throttle like you're supposed to land it, even without flaps. When she's coming in a little quick, she settles in nicely. Ooh, look at all that water dripping. That's another good thing about this one. It does not have cheater holes in the bottom of it. So it's not as subject to suck all the stuff up into the interior. Wow, look at all that. That's a lot of grass. Thanks for watching.